My video guide is about removing the adware type program called Buyer's Assistant. Buyer's Assistant is presented as an app that lets users buy with confidence and speed on eBay. We have discovered Buyer's Assistant on a deceptive website that recommends installing an extension on a Chrome browser. After examining the app, we found that it displayed unwanted advertisements that were not related to the sites that we visited. Buyer's Assistant is a typical advertising-supported application. So you should be very careful whenever you deal with this particular program. If you have discovered its presence on your computer, so you should immediately undertake the measures to get rid of this program from your system. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. In case you find any suspicious extensions here on the list, you should undertake the measures to get rid of it. So once again, go to the menu, More Tools, Extensions, disable this Buyer's Assistant extension and remove the extension completely. This should be sufficient enough to remove any unwanted adware in the form of unwanted browser extensions. We also recommend you to carefully research your system with the help of the reliable security software, and our suggestion is that you use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software through this green button, install the application, and start carefully researching your device with its help to detect and eliminate other hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.